Want to edit any PDF on your mobile without Adobe Acrobat or a PC or fancy apps? Well, I've got you covered. And the best part? It's 100% free. Let me show you how. Here's a resignation letter I need to edit. Now let's get to it. Step 1. Open your mobile browser and go to sejda.com. Step 2. Tap on All Tools at the top. Step 3. Select Edit. Step 4. Tap Upload PDF File and choose the file you want to edit. Simple, right? Step 5. Now, just tap the text you want to change. Make sure you're tapping the actual text. If not, it'll create a new text box. Look, I can now change this text easily. Let's update it to John Foster. See how quick and easy it is to edit a PDF for free? You can even change fonts and make basic edits here. Once you're happy with your changes, just hit Apply Changes. Finally, tap the download button to grab your edited PDF. Yep, it's all free. And that's it. This is the edited file. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.